आप ये कर लो, मैं ये बात कर लूँ।
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. This is Hema from Ambe International. Basically, if I'll introduce my company's Ambe International is a manpower consultancy which holds the recruitment license, first recruitment license issued in India in 1983 to any overseas recruitment company in India. Ambe is India's pioneering recruitment organization. We have been in the market from last 50 years, and Ambe has made over 450,000 placements in 35 countries. Over the years, we have been serving as a catalyst in bringing together career seekers and employers from across the world. We have been instrumental in placing unskilled, semi-skilled, skilled, and highly skilled personnel in the various sectors globally with aim to achieve more into the future. Over the years, we have been serving as catalyst with the skilled personnel in oil and gas, construction, maintenance, trading, and various other sectors globally. Uh, we are one of the India's leading recruitment HR solution company with over 50 years of experience, and we constantly push ourselves and build authentic and transparent relationships with all our clients and associates. We now some important major client interviews, and along with the requirements we are coming up with, and my colleague would explain you further interview details along with requirements.
Well, good evening, everyone. We have a opening for a leading oil and gas company. Large vacancies are there. We have a final client interview tomorrow in Mumbai on 27 June in Ambe International Office. Also in Vadodara on 28 June in Anuptek, Gorva, Vadodara. We have urgent openings for managers, planning manager, project manager, scaffolding manager, rigging manager, piping managers, civil construction managers, mechanical constructions, contracts manager, engineering managers, interface managers, and catering managers. Also, another openings for engineers, scheduling engineers, rigging engineers, piping engineers, welding engineers, scaffolding engineers, instrumentation engineers, field engineers, piping test, package engineers, plumbing engineers, project control engineers, subcontractors engineers, planning engineers in E&I, painting and insulation planning engineer, piping planning engineer, structure planning engineers. Also, we have an opening for superintendents. We are looking for rigging superintendents, scaffolding superintendents, piping superintendents, welding superintendents, mechanical superintendents, equipment superintendents, painting superintendents, structural superintendents. For supervisors, we are looking for piping supervisors, rigging supervisors, mechanical supervisors, welding supervisors, foreman, piping foreman, welding foreman, rigging foreman, quantity surveyor in civil and structure, plant and machinery inspector, unit manager, coordinator in environment, officer welfare, mental health counselor, and industrial hygienist. All candidates should have a 3 years plus Gulf experience in oil and gas. Interested candidates, please come down tomorrow for a final client interview on 9 o'clock in Ambe International Office, Worli. Next.
Okay, regarding this Qatar long term, we have an interview the day after tomorrow, that is Wednesday at Anutech Baroda. If any of candidates are interested, please go and attend the interview. My colleague, Mr. Krishna, would be there at the venue. You can coordinate with them. Okay, there are some other requirements like Qatar long term project. We have a required South Indian cook, rice makers, chapati makers, and some Sikji TIG and arc welders as well, and dosa makers as well. Okay, so if any of your friends or would you be interested, please come along with the CV and documents to our office and visit. And some important categories like Oman long term. We have a various categories from management, this like site manager, maintenance planner, QA/QC engineer. And regarding E&I categories also, we have a technicians, instrument and supervisors, mechanical supervisors, mechanical technicians, wall technicians. And regarding this chemical team also, we required a chemical supervisor, metering supervisor, metering technician. Please send your resume along with documents to mechanical at the rate indianpersonal.com. Or if it is possible, please come today or tomorrow and meet us or a sourcing team to shortlist your CV and we will send it to the client for further process. Okay, there is a one short-term requirement and a free recruitment and a final interviews will be conducting in Mumbai soon. That is tank fabricators, piping fabricators, tank fitters, riggers and manual handler, hydrojetters, foremen, fire watcher, helper, hole watcher, arc welders, and TIG and arc welders. For those candidates who must be interested, please come and meet our recruiters and the sourcing coordinators. Please get your CV shortlisted from our team so that we can process further with that. And one more is Qatar short term, that is also a free recruitment where currently we are doing the shortlisting process. There are a couple of positions where from project manager who has a tank experience, project manager, piping experience, planning engineering with tank, with plus oil and gas experience as well as Gulf experience we required. And there are some categories of welding inspector, crane operators, forklift operators, boom truck operators with proper valid your expired license required, scaffolding supervisors and inspectors. Only escape is also required some categories of scaffolding helper, brush painters, spray painters, API inspectors, coating inspectors, trailer driver, heavy driver with Qatar valid era expired license. Please come to our office to meet our coordinators or the sourcing team to shortlist your CV so that we can process further. We have a one more interview that is bar and long term, where the interviews in office at 27th June and 26th June at Vadodara. Some we have some questions. Hi Sayed Mujahid, my experience and qualification include.
Let's talk about the
Okay,
requirement.
so we can discuss regarding the bar and long term.
We have a long-term opening for Bahrain country. There is a large vacancies, and we are looking candidates who are ready for immediate departure. Free accommodation and food allowance. Final interviews on Mumbai on 27 June and Rabale in New Mumbai, Anutek. Final client interview in Baroda on 26 June at Anutek, Gorva, Vadodara. We are looking for a fitters, structural fitter, pipe fitters, tank fitters, industrial electricians, welder, TIG and arc and FCW, CNC machinist, pipe fabricator, structural steel fabricator, and tank fabricators. Also, we are looking blasting and painting foreman and painting supervisors too. All candidates should have 3 years plus Gulf experience in oil and gas. All relevant candidates immediately send your CV with all documents on mechanical at indianperson.com. Also, you can call us on 022 So
Okay.
these are the openings up going on.
We just focusing more on tomorrow and day after tomorrow Qatar long-term interviews. It's a leading company where free food and accommodation and there are large vacancies. So please, those who are available in Mumbai, please come tomorrow at morning 9 o'clock. There is a client interviews going in our office at Worli Shanar Industrial Estate 507 fifth floor. Please come and get your CV shortlisted by our team and attend a direct personal face-to-face client interviews by tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, we have interviews in Anuptek, Baroda. Please, who are not available in Mumbai, who are near to Dahej, Baroda, Gujarat, please go and attend the interview. It's a very good opportunity. Please try to attend this. And we have one more positions for Qatar. It is a QA/QC inspector civil. If interested, please send your resume along with the documents to the mechanical civil at indianpersonal.com. Oman long term, we have an opening for HVAC chiller plant supervisor, where the candidate has must be in diploma in air conditioning or mechanical, must have Gulf experience. Okay, so basically the candidate has an experience in SCADA, automated operation, and experience in centrifugal chiller operations and chiller plants. So please, who are there, if your friends or any references, any of your office colleagues would be interested, tell them to send a CV to mechanical at the rate indianpersonal.com. So our team will shortlist and get, to process further with the client. And so there is a one more Oman long term, where the shortlisting is progressed at Ambe International Office. Okay, so there is a mechanical and instrument technician, supervisors, wall technicians, we required electrical supervisor and electrical technician. And there is some interviews for Saudi long term as well. That is machinist, millwright fitters, QC coating, and welding, pipe fitter, fabricator. Okay. Um, we also
Questions.
required for a bar and long term QC inspector.
We have a long-term job opening for a Bahrain country for opening leading an oil and gas company. Shortlisting process is at Ambe International Office. We have opening for below positions: QC Inspector ENI, QC Inspector Electrical, QC Inspector Instrumentations. Candidates having relevant experience in Gulf are preferred. So, candidate, please send your CVs with updated CVs and documents on eni at the rate indianpersonal.com. Also, you can call us on 7718946098.
Any of questions so that we can resolve from our side? Any queries? Yeah, Usman Hashmi, any requirement of HSC officer? Yes, we have an HSC officer requirement. If you are available in Mumbai and if you have a Nebosh, please come tomorrow to attend the interview at Ambe International 507 at morning 9 o'clock with CV and documents. Please come tomorrow. If you are not available in Mumbai, then please send your CV to mechanical at the rate indianpersonal.com.
Hi, Vicky Sharma. I'm looking for job sales certificate in automobile. Okay. Yes, we have opening. Please send your CV on mechanical indianpersonal.com. My colleague will get back to you on the same, and my recruiter team will let you know about the interviews for this position.
Do you lead electrical engineers? Michael Joseph. Okay. Basically, we required electrical engineers. Okay. Do send your CV to our email ID of amberesumes@indianpersonal.com, so that if you have any requirements we come across for our client, then we will surely send your CV to the clients. Mohammad Aslam, any opening for admin? Okay. Aslamji, if you have a Gulf experience, proper oil and gas में हो तो आप please आप CV हमको email कीजिए. Anything come across related your profile for an admin, we will surely see your CV and put front after the client. Thank you, sir.
Any more questions, please? Hi, Mohammed Mohsin Reza. For storekeeper, right now, openings are going on. Okay, so send your CV on mechanical at indianpersonal.com. My recruiter team will give you a call and let you know about the interviews. schedules. Thank you so much. Next, please.
Yeah, Sabana Parveen. Any opening for HR recruiter of generalist profile? Okay. Hi, Sabana. If you are interested, please send me your resume to admin@indianpersonal.com. Our team will shortly get back to you. Next. Yeah, any requirements for HVAC technician? Yeah, मोहम्मद यूसुफ जी, जस्ट नो मैंने आपको बोला, मैंने अभी कह दिया था ओमान लॉन्ग टर्म का है। तो इफ़ यू हैव एन एक्सपीरियंस इन चिल्लर प्लांट्स में तो प्लीज़ आप आपका सीवी शॉर्टलिस्टिंग करवा दीजिए ज़रूर। थैंक यू। एनी वैकेंसी फॉर सिविल इंजीनियर? मोहम्मद आसिफ जी, थैंक यू। बट अभी सिविल इंजीनियरिंग फिलहाल कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट्स है तो हम लोग आपको बताएंगे, बट आप आपका सीवी सिविल एंड इंडियन पर्सनल पर जरूर भेज दीजिए। नेक्स्ट। Yeah, BCC. Okay, I'm Akhilesh Kumar and I'm searching safety officer job. Okay, अखिलेश जी ज़रूर ओपनिंग है सेफ्टी ऑफिसर का। आपको नेबॉश या ऑयल एंड गैस में है एक्सपीरियंस और गल्फ एक्सपीरियंस, और कल ज़रूर हमारी ऑफिस आ जाइए मॉर्निंग 9 o'clock को, सीवी अलॉन्ग विद डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड पासपोर्ट। यहाँ पर डायरेक्टली आपका क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू होएगा। इन केस आप मुंबई में आप नहीं है तो प्लीज़ आपका सीवी ईमेल पे भेज दीजिए, और इन फ्यूचर में हम लोग फिर आपका सीवी कंसिडर करेंगे कुछ ऑनलाइन थ्रू इंटरव्यूज पे। थैंक यू।
Okay, Mr. Hafiz Ahmad, I'm looking for a job in Saudi. Yes, we have openings for Saudi for transferable of 15 years experience. Mr. Hafiz, exactly what position you're working, sir? Because we have many openings going on right now. So you can send your CV on mechanical@indianpersonal.com. My recruiter team will surely get back to you on the same, sir. Electrical supervisor, Gulf experience. Hi, Parvez Alam. Yes, we have opening and we have a client interview tomorrow at 9 o'clock in our office. If you have Gulf experience 12 years. Okay, so if your current location is in Mumbai, you can come down tomorrow for a client interview directly with your updated CV and passport, original passport. Safety meet Mori. Okay, for safety officer, right now we don't have opening for freshers. All leading openings are going on for Gulf experience candidates. Since you can send your CV on Ambe resumes, so we will surely get back to you in future. We have opening for a fresher. Thank you, Meet.
Dr. Shalini Bernard, any job vacancy for nursing administration? Dear Shalini, actually, thank you for contacting us. Okay. Uh, as of now, we will be able to tell you to please share your resume to our admin@indianpersonal.com. If any position across, then we will get back to you. Next. Shahbaz Alam currently work as a civil project engineer in Dubai, having a 4 years of Gulf experience. Any vacancy for civil site engineer? Okay, yeah, we do have a civil site engineering vacancy. Okay, so please send me your CV along with the documents to civil@indianpersonal.com. Our team surely get back to you. Thank you. Samir Bhai Sheikh, interested for electrical supervisor. I have more than 15 years experience in GCC. Okay, sir, if you are available in Mumbai, please come tomorrow to attend the interview. If not, to please share your CV along with the documents to amberesumes@indianpersonal.com. Thank you, sir. Sayyed Mujahid, as per my experience and qualification, I would like to apply for manager of warehouse, store, inventory, logistic. Includes this my resume of companies Riyadh, KSA, Indian experience, responsibilities. Okay. Sir, can you please share your CV along with the documents to our idea of mechanical at indianpersonal.com so that we can go through it and we will get back to on this, sir. In case if you have a position for store manager. Thank you, sir. Acha, Shamsher Ali, ma'am, what about EJ interview results? Any update on it? Okay, थैंक यू शमशेर जी आपको श्योरली मैं अपडेट दे दूंगी विद इन 2 और 3 days या विद इन 1 week. दिस वीक में वी विल श्योरली अपडेट यू विद द रिजल्ट्स. डोंट वरी अबाउट दिस. थैंक यू.
Civil Athar Uddin. Okay. Hello. Hi. Thank you for connecting us, sir. We have job opening for a civil structure engineer, sir, for Qatar country. If your current location in Mumbai, you can come down tomorrow for a client interview, or you can send your CV on civil@indianpersonal.com. My recruiter team will surely get back to you on the same, sir. Thank you so much, Atul. Mr. Muhammad Lukman, opening for a quantity surveyor. Yes, sir, we have a requirement for a quantity surveyor. Okay, tomorrow we have an interview. So if you are in Mumbai, come tomorrow for the interview. Client interview is there on 9 o'clock at Ambe International Office, Worli. Thank you for connecting us. Mr. Raju Murugan, thank you so much. Mechanical supervisor with 10. Yes, we have opening for a mechanical supervisor for again Qatar long term. If you are in Mumbai, come tomorrow for an interview with your updated CV and original passport. If you are not in Mumbai, no problem. You can send your CV on mechanical@indianperson.com. My recruiter team will surely get back to you on the same, sir. Thank you, Mr. Raju Murugan. Mr. Muhammad Abdullah Alam. Vacancy for, yes, we have openings for civil engineer also. Send your CV with all the documents on civil@indianpersonal.com. So, Mr. Sayyid Mujahid. Yes, Mr. Sayyid Mujahid, warehouse and post manager. Warehouse to inventory logistics. Sir, yes, we have openings. Send your CV on mechanical@indianpersonal.com. My recruiter team will surely get back to you, sir. Thank you so much.
Muzaffar Khalifa, operation shift in charge for aluminum smelter plant. I have also 12 year experience in aluminum wire rod. Okay. सर जी अभी फिलहाल तो कुछ स्मेल्टर के रिलेटेड ओपनिंग्स नहीं है बट श्योरली आई प्रॉमिस यू इन केस दिस मंथ और नेक्स्ट मंथ कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट्स आएगा तो वी विल श्योरली गेट बैक टू ऑन दिस बट एनीवेज आप आपका सीवी भेज के रख दीजिए सर थैंक यू आफ्ताब आलम आई एम इंटरेस्टेड फॉर सिविल साइट इंजीनियरिंग जॉब ओके तो सर आपको ऑयल एंड गैस एक्सपीरियंस विद सिविल कंस्ट्रक्शन लाइन में एंड गल्फ एक्सपीरियंस है तो प्लीज़ आपका CV शेयर कीजिए अम्बे resumes @indianpersonal.com. Our team surely will get back to you on this. Mohammed Shakil, I need a job of tower crane operator. Okay. Yes, we have a requirement. Please share your CV to Ambe resumes @indianpersonal.com. Our team will surely get back to you. आप आपका जो लाइसेंस कॉपीज होंगे गल्फ के वो प्रॉपरली स्कैन करके भेज दीजिए. Whether it may be expired or valid. Thank you, sir. Mohammed Arif Khan, any vacancy in supply chain management? Okay. आरिफ जी बेटर आप जो आपका सीवी जो है आप मुझे ईमेल कर दीजिए सो दैट इफ if anything come across related to your profile we'll surely get back to you on this. Thank you. Nitish Kumar, mechanical maintenance engineering with 6 years of experience in India. Okay, India का है. Okay. Sir, फिलहाल we are looking for a candidate who has an experience in India as well as Gulf. That is, mandatory to our client. But the thing is, in case if you required anything in the future, please do send your CV to our email ID of mechanical@indianpersonal.com. If anything in future will come to you, we will update you on these things. Thank you. Amikur Rahman, maintenance engineering in water treatment plant, having a 5+ years of experience and a 3.5 years in Gulf experience. Okay, water treatment plant we do have. Please share your resume to mechanical at internetpersonal.com so that our team will get back to you on this. Okay. Jay Khatar. Hi, I need a driver job with experiences 12 years. Okay. ज़रूर सर आप मुंबई में है तो प्लीज़ आप कल ऑफिस आ जाइए शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग कर दीजिए आपका प्रोफाइल. ओके सो आप प्लीज़ थोड़ा इलैबोरेट कीजिए कि लाइट ड्राइवर हो कि हैवी ड्राइवर हो along with your CV documents license copies जो भी valid हो expired हो. प्लीज़ आप ईमेल कीजिए इन केस इफ यू आर नॉट अवेलेबल इन मुंबई. आवर ईमेल आईडी इज amberesumes@indianpersonal.com or mechanical@indianpersonal.com. Thank you. Manikandan R. Any vacancy for QA/QC engineering, steel structure, welding, facade system, B mechanical, plus C web welding inspector certificate. Currently, I'm working now in Bahrain. Any opening for neon project Saudi? Okay, Manikandan ji, please do share your CV along with the certificates to our email ID of mechanical@indianpersonal.com, so that if anything come across with your, welding facade system with the matching of your steel structure, we'll surely get back to you. Thank you. Mohammad Arif Khan. Any vacancy for supply chain management and supply chain analyst? I have 11 years of experience. Yeah. Arif, thank you for your, the questions. Please do share your CV along with the documents and experience certificates to our email ID of, mechanical@indianpersonal.com. If anything come across, we will update you. Hamid Sheikh, any opening in HSC officer? I have a total 10 years of Indian experience, not girl, but I have a completed NEBOSH. Hamid ji, मेरे एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि if you are available in Mumbai, please कल आप मॉर्निंग 9 o'clock आ जाइए कंसिडर करने के लिए. हाँ कंसिडर करने के लिए इन केस बिकॉज वी बेसिकली रिक्वायर अ गल्फ एक्सपीरियंस. इफ नॉट देन प्लीज शेयर योर सीवी अलॉन्ग विद द डॉक्यूमेंट्स सो दैट कहीं पर भी इन केस कुछ और रिक्वायरमेंट्स और विच इज गल्फ नहीं है तो वी विल प्रोसेस योर सीवी टू द क्लाइंट फॉर शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग. ओके बट if you have a good experience in India with completed NEBOSH, if you are available in Mumbai or Baroda, please go and attend the interview. Thank you, sir. Okay, and Javed Akhtar. I'm an electrical superintendent over 20 years of Gulf experience along with 13 years EPC. Currently, I'm in India looking for a job position with EPC client. अच्छा जावेद जी good news है आपके लिए. We have an position. Okay, if you are available in Mumbai and Baroda, please do come to attend tomorrow's interview. Okay. Or not, तो प्लीज़ आप आपका CV and documents please email to us at amberesumes@indianpersonal.com. Okay, and thank you for joining. For the live of Ambe International. Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so
and
much.
we hope for the best. And if you are, Qatar is a main priority for tomorrow's interview with the leading oil and gas company with free food and accommodation, managers, engineers. There are so much of positions are available. Please, if you are available in Mumbai, come to our office at morning 9 o'clock with CV and documents and passport so that please shortlist from from our end, and you can have the opportunity to attend the face-to-face interview with our
Also
client.
in 20 June in Vadodara, in Anuptek, same interviews are going on in Vadodara. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.